The 2015 Mercedes CLS-Class. Simple infatuation quickly becomes an unwavering devotion. The tested 5.0-liter V8 delivered abundant power with quick steering that offers great feedback. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, hard disk drive media storage, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.